Help everyone! The giant octopus grabbed me. Oh, what do you want from me?
In today's video, we're going to make a happy octopus first.
And learn which animals live in the ocean.
We take some purple Play-Doh and split it in half. Stay tuned to see why. We're making a strange shape. Does it look like anything to you? I don't think so. Look at it. But that's our base. Now we're making a long tentacle. We stretch it out and stick it onto our base. Take a look. Does it look like something now? That's right. I know you're smart and you guessed it. It's an octopus. But stay and see how it's going to look in the end. The funniest and silliest octopus in the whole ocean. Hey, check out this tentacle. Look how it's curled. Now we're just finishing everything up. Look, it's done and it looks really fun. But what's missing? That's right. Good job. Let's add some eyes. But it's still not quite there. We poke 2 little holes. That's it. Perfect. And we add red eyes because our octopus is the funniest and the best. Now we add eyebrows. Look how funny it is. This is fantastic. I've never seen an octopus like this before. Now we glue on the mouth. Bravo! Look how it's sticking its tongue out. It's so fun. Hey, Pinky, do you like it?
I like it. It's great.
Bye, kids. Stay with Toys Toons. We're making many more sea animals.